In today's video, we're going to take a look at the YOLO Cam S3. Thank you so much, Yololiv, for sending me one, so we can check it out right here. I never heard of this camera before they actually approached me, so I am really curious about the quality. They do promise a really good 4K camera, so I am curious how it's holding up. But first, I'm gonna unpack it, of course. Plastic wrapper. And there's two seals here as well. That's one. It's really difficult with gel nails. Like, they make it easy to grab, but not if you have long nails. The other side went so much easier. Okay, cool. It's open. What now? Let's see, how does the box work? I don't want to break the box like I do in some videos. Oh, it just opens on the side. Oh, I could have just opened one. The one that went easy. Okay, there is two white boxes in this. The rest is empty. So we've got a big one and a small one. Other ways around. Other way around, the big one and the small one. Let's check the big one out first. Okay, is a cable and a manual. So what we have is AI powered 4K live streaming camera. Oh, it's just a paper. And this is the project manual. So this is the manual. All right, we have a cable in here. It is USB to USB-C, but it comes with an adapter. From USB female to USB-C, so if you put that on here, you do have USB-C to USB-C if you like that. It seems like the USB is USB 3.0, so it is a speedier connection than normal USB 2.0. And I'm guessing that the small box has the camera in it then. I mean, it needs to be somewhere. Oh, there's another box. And another box. There's two other boxes in the small one. This one has a circular pattern on the top, so I'm guessing that this is the camera. I thought the camera was going to be bigger. Here we go. This is the camera. It is really small. This is my hand. I've got small hands. Look how small it is. I would say it's about like 3 centimeters by 4 or 5. It's really small. I could measure it, but I'm too lazy to like actually measure it right now, and it's, you know, it is about that size. And I'm guessing that this would be the stand to put it on your desk with. Oh, whoops. I broke a box. Just like I said, I break boxes in these videos. I do that all the time. Okay, this is really neatly packed in here. Oof. Because there was like another paper, it was actually holding it back. But this is the stand. So, where's the screw? So this is the stand. This is the camera. How do I screw it on here? Maybe I should read the manual. Oh, I don't. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh my god, it's magnetic. We do not need a screw. So the screw part underneath here is just for if you want to put it on a tripod. Oh my god, I did not notice that. But it's magnetic, so you can just plop it on here. And then it's on here. It does have the logo of Yololiv on the stand right here. It does come with some protective layer on the lens, so I'm gonna pull that off. Sadly, I don't see any lens protection other than that little plastic, so you don't have a cover up, so you can't cover the lens when you don't want it to film you. Maybe a bit of an oversight, I think. I would have liked that. Other than that, design looks neat. I like the fact that you use a magnet. That's nice. And we're gonna try it on the computer. Also, if you're wondering, why is my hair curly all of a sudden? I used a curler tonight, and I just needed to know how it was gonna look on me for a wedding I'm gonna go to. And let me know in the comments if you prefer this curly hair on me, or if you prefer straight hair like I usually have. Then I know what to go for the wedding. So this is my PC, and as you see, I have 2 cameras here already, and we're just gonna get the 3rd one in. Boom. Now we have the Yololiv here too. My screen is black, so it's really hard to see. And I'm gonna connect it to my PC in the back. I did change the order a bit. I put it on the left side because the cable was just, what can I say, not long enough. I feel like I build most webcams for laptops nowadays, and laptops don't need a long cable, but if you have a desktop PC, like me, and you have it like underneath your desk, you definitely need a little bit of a longer cable to make it from your screen to your PC. Alright, so I'm gonna add the webcam into my OBS right now to see how it looks. I don't know why I'm using this mic. I'm using this mic on my chest. But we're gonna add it. Oh, that's the scene. We're gonna add it. Video capture device, and then we're gonna call it YOLO S3. And then we're gonna select the S3. Okay, and we're gonna select a resolution custom. Match output, yes, any format, that's good. Cool. We need to do something about this brightness. All right, so we're gonna go to the Yololiv website, and then we're gonna go to YoloCam Compose app, and then we're gonna download that for Windows. All right, here we have YoloCam Compose, and we can select a camera in here. I think we have to like discard it from here for a second. We're gonna update the software, update the files in the, I don't know, in the camera or something. I don't know what it does. It's updating something. So I think the camera itself is out of date, and we're actually updating that. Oh my god, we need to turn, yes. No, we don't want to reset it. I want to turn the camera. Let's get the settings in first. Oh, here we go. Frame rate, 60 Hertz, thank you. Sharpness. Contrast, oh my god. Okay, like this. Saturation, something like this maybe. Lens shading correction. No. No thanks. Focus, I mean, that's fine probably. Range, yeah, no, let's make it white. Exposure, I don't think we have flickering, so that doesn't matter. But I do want auto exposure. Okay, we need like focus on me. Yeah. There we go. It looks like 20 times better already. White balance, manual please, thank you. Here we go. Oh, audio settings. Oh my god, there's a mic in here. I hate webcam mics. Yes, okay. Let's try and aim it a little bit better. Aim it at me. It's a little high up right now, but I can't make it go lower. I think. Oh, whoops. Okay. Yeah, you got this. Okay, this is cool. This is how the DJI Pocket 3 looks like. This is how the Yololiv looks like. Can we save this? Save scene. Okay, I guess we're just gonna log in. Okay, we're logged in, cool. Save scene, good. And I'm gonna add it to OBS now. It's 3. I wrote 4, but it's 3. Custom resolution. Get the big resolution. Cool. You see my forehead in OBS. Cool. Highest FPS. That's cool. Okay. Now we're gonna transform this into fit to screen. So it's into 1080p now. I do see like something with the FPS though. I'm not sure what the FPS is about, but like the camera itself looks amazing. Like this is some amazing quality, but the FPS is like super low. I'm not sure what I can do about that. What if I set it on 30 FPS? 29? No. You can see the FPS is really low, and I'm not sure why that is so low. What if I put the camera on like 1080p? Yeah, this fixed it. 1080p, 60 FPS. Yeah, okay, so if you put it in 4K, like they say, you can do it. You're gonna have FPS issues, but in 1080p. I mean, I don't see much of a difference in quality. It looks really good. However, the FPS looks so much better on 1080p than it does on 4K. So I would recommend 1080p with, yeah, with the FPS 60 FPS. I think that looks a lot better than the choppy FPS on 4K, if you ask me. Further, I'm super surprised at this webcam. If you want to see a comparison, so this is the YOLO Cam 3S, this is the Elgato Neo, and this is the Elgato Facecam 4K. To show you a little bit more of the camera we're actually filming, this is how it looks like. What are your thoughts on the webcam? I do really like it. I would not recommend putting it on 4K because of the FPS, but on 1080p, it is looking so sharp and so good. It looks so much better than so many other cameras, if you ask me. I do have to say, I did put 2 lights on here. We can also do it without lights. It's gonna be like a little bit less good, and I have to set the settings again to make it look better. But this is how it would look like if I twiggle a little bit with it, and this is like without any lighting. This is just a natural light coming from outside, and it's a gray day today, okay guys? It's a gray day. It's not super light in this room, as in like it's pretty dark. You can see the shadows right here. They're pretty thick. It's not like bright in this room, even though it looks pretty bright here on the camera. I might even prefer natural light over this like super bright scene now. But I do like a bright scene. It's like super bright. Maybe I should tone it down a little bit. Maybe more like this. Maybe it's a little less, a little less bright and a little more, yeah, a little less bright. But like, it's so sharp. Look, you can even see these on my neck everywhere. Yeah. If you like this camera, I leave a link to where you can buy it underneath in the description. Again, thank you so much for the gifted camera. I didn't get paid for this video. I did tell them that I was going to give my honest opinion, and they were not going to be able to say anything that I was going to say in this video. So everything I said in this video was not directed by anyone, and I was just gifted this camera to make a video of. If you want to see some more streaming gear, I have a playlist right here where you can check out more. Make sure to subscribe if you are a streamer, because I have more streaming videos on this channel. And I hope to see you in one of my other videos.